Namaste and hello from Pokhara in Nepal. I'm Grace on tour and I look to showcase the beautiful world that we live in, and in this video we will be exploring and seeing what Pokhara has to offer. So before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. So I have just arrived to Pokhara and we drove from Chitwan, and it was about a 4 to 5 hour drive. Yes, now we have made it to Hotel City Inn, and I wanted to just show you the room here. So we have the bed, we have a seating area, and then the bathroom. And I just want to show you as well, we have a little balcony, and this is the view. So we have now been walking into the city center, and what you can see behind me is the Phewa Lake, which is one of the main attractions. You have a little island which you can take a boat to. There's lots of different boat rides, and also today it actually is Nepalese New Year's Eve, and they will be going into the year of 2079. Yeah, a lot of the roads are closed off, and there will be definitely lots of hustle and bustle and events tonight, which will be interesting to see and experience. So yeah, but this is absolutely so beautiful. The scenery is really nice, and yeah, we'll just walk around a bit before catching some other sights in the city. So we have now arrived to a place called Devis Falls, and it's actually named after a tragic event where a woman named Devis in 1961 was dragged through the waterfall and died, and also it has become known as the Devil's Falls as well. Back in the city center after the little short sightseeing, and as you could see, we went to the waterfall, and then after that we went into the cave, and down at the bottom you can actually see the end of the waterfall from the other side, and yeah, there's also a temple there. And yeah, tomorrow it's an early wake-up call. I'll be heading out at 5 a.m. to watch the sunrise from one of the viewing points, and we have a full day of exploring and yeah, adrenaline activities, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, tonight I'm having vegetable momos again with the chili sauce, and yeah, things are starting to happen now as well for the New Year's Eve.
Sarangkot mountain to watch the sunrise, so let's go.
So we have driven about 30 minutes up the mountain to Sarangkot, it's called, and as you can see, the sunrise is starting, and here down there we have Pokhara and the lake, and then we have the mountains which just surround us. So yeah, hopefully it's quite windy, but hopefully that will kind of blow all of the haze away, so we'll get some clear views of the mountains. So yeah, fingers crossed. thanks to the very strong wind, we are able to see the mountains behind, and apparently it has been hazy for 3 weeks, so this clear view has not been visible for 3 weeks, but today it is. So yeah, really lucky. So after that beautiful morning sunrise, we have made it to the Bindhyabasini Temple, and as you can see, there is lots of people here this morning because today it is the Nepalese New Year's Day, or the first day of the new year of 2079. And what people do during this day is that they come to the temple and do their offerings and prayers for a prosperous new year. So yeah, that's why there are so many people here today. But it's great to experience it as well. So now we're back from the morning excursion, and yes, now I am going to be doing a very adrenaline-packed or filled activity. I am going paragliding, and Pokhara is one of the major paragliding destinations in the world. It is famous for it because of the amazing scenery with the mountains and the lake. And yeah, if you remember a few months back, I did some paragliding in Sweden. There's a video from that. Definitely not as dramatic scenery, but it was an amazing experience, and I really enjoy paragliding. So yes, I am soon going to be picked up by the paragliding company, and we'll be heading up the mountain and yeah, paragliding down. And of course, yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking, but yes, that's what we're here for, facing our fears. And yes, I'm really excited. And today, as I said this morning, it's clear skies, which hasn't been for a few weeks, so we're lucky with the weather. But yeah, I'm really excited. And yeah, I will leave all my stuff, so hopefully I'll be able to switch to a GoPro to show you the whole experience. I'm now back from the paragliding, and that was such an amazing experience. Yes, if you come to Pokhara, definitely, if you are worried, go paragliding. It was really an amazing experience. I do have to say I was a bit nervous for the takeoff because it was on like a mountain, so yeah, I got a bit nervous, but it was so amazing, so peaceful, and so beautiful. And we were so lucky with the weather as well, because it was clear skies and we could see the snow-covered mountains and all of the scenery around. So yes, I just feel very grateful for that. And yeah, it's just been one of those things that I've dreamt about for a long time, and now it came true. So yes, And then, as you could see as well, I had stopped off at my favorite lunch spot, the AM/PM Organic Cafe, for lunch. And now I've just freshened up again, and we're heading out because we're going to the World Peace Pagoda, which looks out over the Phewa Lake. And then from there we'll be hiking down the mountain to the lake, where we'll take a boat to cross over to this side again. So yeah, and it is quite warm today, so I am, yeah, definitely I will be sweating, but yes, so let's go. So we have now made it up to the Peace Pagoda, and yesterday it is a national holiday, so there are lots of people here, and it's also very hot today, so yes. But now we're actually going to start to walk down the mountain towards the lake, and as you can see we also have a beautiful view over Pokhara as well.
You call me for one last dance, then you hypnotize me into a trance, thinking I really had a chance, but I woke up on my...
We have now hiked down from the Peace Pagoda all the way down to the lake, and yeah, we're now taking a boat crossing over to the other side. And as you maybe can hear with all of the kind of noise, it is New Year's Day, or the first day of the new year, and the celebrations are even you know, livelier today than they were yesterday, so yeah.
When there's no return.